Welcome to the world of augmented reality and virtual reality. These technologies are revolutionizing the way we experience the world around us. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital content onto the real world. This can be done through a smartphone or through dedicated augmented reality headsets. Augmented reality is being used in a variety of settings, from education to retail. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a technology that creates a completely immersive digital environment. Users wear a headset that completely blocks out the real world, and are transported to a virtual environment. Virtual reality is being used in gaming, training, and many other industries. Differences between AR and VR. While AR and VR are often mentioned together, they are actually quite different technologies. AR overlays digital content onto the real world, while VR creates a completely virtual environment. AR is often used in more practical applications, while VR is used more for entertainment and gaming. Applications of AR and VR. AR and VR have a wide range of applications across many different industries. In healthcare, for example, AR can be used to help doctors visualize medical data, while VR can be used to help patients manage pain. In education, AR can be used to create interactive and engaging learning experiences, while VR can be used to simulate real-world scenarios for training purposes. Future of AR and VR. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the world of AR and VR. From fully immersive virtual reality environments to augmented reality contact lenses, the possibilities are endless. Augmented reality and virtual reality offer a wide range of benefits. Enhanced learning. One of the biggest benefits of AR and VR is their ability to enhance learning. AR and VR applications can bring educational content to life, making it more engaging and interactive for students. For example, medical students can use VR to practice surgeries, while engineering students can use AR to visualize complex structures. Immersive experiences. AR and VR also offer immersive experiences that allow users to fully immerse themselves in a virtual world. Whether it's exploring a new city or playing a video game, AR and VR offer a level of immersion that was previously impossible. Real-time data visualization. AR and VR also have the ability to display real-time data in a way that is intuitive and easy to understand. This can be especially useful in industries such as healthcare and manufacturing, where workers need to quickly access and analyze large amounts of data. Improved communication. AR and VR can also improve communication and collaboration in the workplace. For example, remote workers can use AR and VR to feel like they are in the same room as their colleagues, while workers on a manufacturing floor can use AR to communicate more effectively with each other. Enhanced customer experiences. Finally, AR and VR offer the ability to enhance customer experiences. For example, customers can use AR to preview products in their own home before making a purchase, while retailers can use AR to create interactive in-store experiences. As you can see, augmented and virtual reality offer a wide range of benefits that are transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Whether it's in education, communication, or entertainment, AR and VR are changing the game. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of augmented and virtual reality. We hope you have a better understanding of these technologies and their potential to transform the way we experience the world around us.